The pattern is simple. Tell the agent to do the thing, make the output better, then turn the improvement pattern into a skill. The prompt asks for an output. The skill captures the correction pattern. Skills teach the agent the procedure. Loops make it repeat the work until it's verified. Skills are the playbook. Loops are what run that playbook without you. I studied the official AI Agent Skills production examples from top labs, so I mapped out hundreds of them to answer the question most people never even ask. How do you actually run a system of intelligence instead of doing all the work yourself? And the biggest thing I learned is that most people are learning the wrong lesson. They think skills are templates of prompts. They think the goal is to install as many as possible. They think if their agent is bad, they need a better model. All wrong. The real shift is this: stop building better agents, start building better skills. And yes, that is why I'm using this football theme to illustrate this. Because a world-class player still needs a playbook. Raw talent is not enough. The system tells them where to be, what to do, and how to repeat it under pressure. So I'm going to give you the 10 concepts that actually matter, not 100 random skills. By the end, you'll know when a workflow should become a skill, what actually belongs inside a skill file, and the mistake that makes good skills invisible to the agent. And if you're trying to be kind of operator who make agents useful in real work, subscribe to this channel. Your future you will thank you. Here's where it gets real. I turned those 100 examples into a free copy-paste library of the skills that actually make an agent better, organized by the job each one does. It's waiting in my free community, the new operators. But first, grab the mental model from these 10 concepts, otherwise you'll just hoard skills you never use and your agent ends up worse, not better. A prompt tells an agent what to do once. A skill teaches the agent how to do a repeatable job every time. If you paste the same prompt every week, you are paying the prompt tax. The workflow lives in your head. The agent starts cold every time. If you needed someone to file your taxes, would you rather have a math genius figuring it out from first principles or a tax professional who's filed thousands of returns? Agents already have intelligence. Skills give them expertise. The thing causing all this hype is literally a folder. Inside it, importantly, is a skill file. Inside that file, you have a name, a description, and instructions. No fine-tuning, no coding, just a file with instructions. The technical reason skills work is progressive disclosure. Level 1 is name and description. Level 2 is the full skill file, only when triggered. Level 3 involves references, scripts, templates, and assets, only when needed. The context window is not a junk drawer. It is a budget. The most important part of your skill may be the description. Not because humans read it, because the agent reads it to decide whether the skill should load. Instead of saying this skill reviews pull requests, say this skill reviews code changes for correctness, tests, maintainability, and security. Use when asked to review, audit, check, or look over a pull request, diff, file, or code change. This is why the Agent Skills Playbook includes a description trigger test matrix. If the skill fires on the wrong prompts, your description is broken. Skills versus MCP is the wrong frame. MCP gives the agent access. Skills tell the agent what to do with that access. MCP gives the agent hands. Skills give the agent training. Instead of saying, what skills should I invent? Ask, where did I correct the agent twice this week? The pattern is simple. Tell the agent to do the thing, make the output better, then turn the improvement pattern into a skill. The prompt asks for an output. The skill captures the correction pattern. The goal is not to install all 100. The fastest way to make your agent worse is to install every skill you find. Overlapping skills, bad routing, bloat context, procedures fighting each other. The top operators do not use more skills. They use fewer skills and build them properly. A markdown skill can teach the agent how to think, but a skill with scripts can make parts of the workflow repeatable. If the model needs to parse a PDF, validate a file, or generate a structured artifact, don't make it reason token by token. Give it a script. Skills are not just a Claude feature. Cursor supports skills, Claude supports skills, Codas is moving towards the same structure. As agents get more general, the differentiator becomes the procedures you give them, not just the model, the library of skills. Then test the description, add a verifier, and only then add it to your library. If this is the kind of AI work you want to get good at, not prompt tricks, actual operator systems, subscribe. Skills teach the agent the procedure. Loops make it repeat the work until it's verified. Skills are the playbook. Loops are what run that playbook without you. I broke down the entire loop system in this next video. Go build it.